Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin and thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and we'll keep bringing the videos. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, look at that. Okay, today we're going to do some Flanken short ribs. Usually you'll see them used in a Korean barbecue, but today we're doing them hot and fast. Check this out. Okay, here's my Flanken short ribs. You'll see these usually used in a Korean style barbecue. They're marinated overnight, but there's plenty of marbling in these, and you know, fat is flavor. And these are just delicious. So to start off with, I'm going to use olive oil as a binder. You don't put it on too thick, just enough. You know, the olive oil also helps keep it from sticking on your grill. So I'll just rub a little bit on here real quick. It doesn't take too long. I don't know, if you've never had these, you got to try these. Even the short way to cook them this way instead of the marinade, they come out great like this as well. Okay, let me get the garlic pepper. This is my garlic pepper that I use. And then just sprinkle it on. It's not too tough, right? I use this all the time, garlic pepper. It's my SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. I like this better. It doesn't have as much salt. Just make sure you get it covered. Doesn't have to be thick. And then I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Not real heavy, just I'm going to sprinkle it on there a little bit. And this will give them a little bit of sweetness similar to your Korean barbecue. And then I'm going to add some cayenne pepper because I want to spice these up a little bit. We like things a little spicy over here, so I'm not putting it on too heavy. And then I'm going to flip these over. We're going to get both sides done. Same process. I don't have to show you all of that. But and then here we are. The other side's done. And we're going to let them sit for a minute while the grill gets ready. Don't they look delicious? All right, we've got the pit boss up to 300. 300. These Flanken ribs are looking pretty good. They've been sitting 15-20 minutes. You can see how the brown sugar and the olive oil kind of makes it a little bit of wet, a little bit of a paste. So let's get these on the grill. Okay, we'll let those roll. It's been about 25 minutes. I flipped these two, but that's good. Get them nice and charred. They are a little tender, but we'll get them turned. We'll check back in about 5 minutes or so. They're looking good on this side. How's that? Good. Only a few more minutes. All right, about another 5 minutes. And get these off. Ain't nothing to these. You just pick them up and eat them right off the bone. It's like a real thin little steak almost. Man, good. Can't wait. there you have it. Got some hungry people waiting inside to get a hold of these. So these are just some flank ribs, short ribs, real thin. A little bit of seasoning on them. 300 degrees for about 35 minutes now. And these will be delicious. Okay, here's the finished product. Look at this. A little bit of char. Give this a taste. Oh man. Look at that. Even this little thin one has that little bit of smoke ring. Ha! Here we are all done. Here's the little bones. Fall off the bone. You just pick them up and eat them. You don't need a knife and a fork. These are so good. You can taste a little bit of the spice, the sweet. Perfect. Got to make you some.